Hello, in this video I will tell you the 2 best camera tricks you can use to click the best photos using your smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's go. So for this first trick you need a binocular used to see far objects just like this. So what you want to do is take out the combination of 2 lenses present at different ends just like this and take it out just like a screw and you'll get it. For the next step you need a smartphone, of course, because you want to try that, and put that on a surface. And you need the thing you just took out of that binocular, put that on the camera of your phone and just tape it however you can, just like I am doing. After you did it, your phone should look something like this. Here are some videos and photos on how this works.
I have you now.
Tip number 2 is on how you can capture DSLR-like photos with your phone without using anything. So for this trick, you need to go to your camera app and open manual settings. Every manual setting is different in every phone, so open manual settings and try to open focus mode and decrease it. So as you might see, the moment I decrease the focus level, the picture quality increases and I can now click some great photos. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel, like this video, and see more videos.